Welcome to Connectrac, where we will show you how to easily install our on-floor wireway using the power from an existing outlet. Begin by removing the electrical duplex and installing our deep junction box. Prepare for the vertical wireway by centering your on-floor base track and measure from the top of the wireway to the bottom of the deep junction box. Cut your length of vertical base track and put it in position while marking where it will be installed on the wall. Now mark where the on-floor wireway joins the wall channel so you can cut the vinyl baseboard without removing it. Be sure to make your cut a little lower than the height of the actual on-floor system. Push the on-floor system tight to the new cutout and make a straight relief cut on each side of the wireway. This allows a tight transition from the on-floor wireway to the wall. Drill 1/4 inch holes into the wall channel wireway and then install it on the wall. Position your on-floor wireway and drill holes for your concrete anchors. Be sure to hand tighten these screws so you do not snap them off. Attach the appropriate wiring, tighten, and install the junction box cover. Snap a wall transition component under the junction box. If needed, run your data cables in the wireway and through our grommet. Snap the grommet into position on the wall channel wireway and install our wire clips to protect the cabling. Place your second wall transition component at the junction of the wall and then measure for the top cap. Install by using a rubber mallet or the rubber side of your hammer to snap the top cap into the wireway. Finish the job by installing wire clips into the on-floor wireway and snapping the top cap into position. That's all it takes to install our on-floor system utilizing an existing outlet. Email us or call us for information about this or any of our other systems.